I need you to keep it alive. Because every year we come here, we see a new strange to strange. And also, the young people dance. What is that amazing? I don't know. There is someone to teach those children to ensure that the culture is still thrive. Those are kind of the teachers. You don't need to lose them in your community. Please try to make sure they keep that culture alive. And also, the leaders who kept this community for many years to come and celebrate your special event. Those leaders, they need to be proud of themselves. I know, coming from the community, always there is a challenge. But take that challenge as opportunity for you to grow. Okay? Don't take it personally. So as a leaders, take that opportunity to bring your community every year here, because what you have, if you don't value it, for me, if I need to describe it, you can't put a value to it, or money or anything else. And I know how many Burmese community I've been engaged with them. In general, Burmese community, you are really blessed community in general, in terms of the rich culture you have. Before there is it's not a funny, but your country is surrounded with mountain. And my country is not surrounded with mountains. Okay? And see how tall you are or short I am. You see? This is a creative desire, the way how we humans should be. So, I am the tallest Burmese community in New Zealand. That's true? Now, it's really, I'm looking forward to see if there is anything from ARCC to contribute to support your community. As many of you know, I'm not here today by myself. I have Punch, West Punch. I have a son. They are here. ARCC provide community support services. Please, if anyone in your community need any help, reach ARCC. I have 2 managers that are here today, and they're going to be able to support you. We have a son, he's a media and communication manager. Ponch, she's an operational manager. Please reach us, and we will be able to serve you. Again, keep the culture alive, and the inspiring of today is those young children who come and just play the culture today. So thank you so much, and may God bless you and keep the culture alive. Thank you.